Hey squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool MP3 here, and basically what this is a bone conduction headphone. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, they do call this the OpenSwim because it does give you guys an option to use it while swimming if you guys want to. And also another thing that's actually really cool about this product compared to any other bone conduction headphone that I've tested in the past is the fact that it does have the built-in MP3 player. So if you guys want to put your songs in here, you do have the option available. If you guys turn to the back, if you see the bottom part here, they do probably got some specs and feature about the product. So they do mention how it has an open ear design, so it is a bone conduction headphone. They mention how the product is IP68 waterproof, so if you guys get water on here, it is completely fine, since the product works as a swimming headphone. They mention how the product has titanium fit, so that we can get a secure fit when you guys do put it on. They mention how the product has premium pitch 2 stereo sound, so you definitely will get like the highest quality audio and bass when you guys do use it. And they also mention how the product has 4GB memory, so that way you can put your music in here for the MP3 player option. And in terms of the battery life that's on here, they mention how you can get up to 8 hours of battery life when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the package. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So if you guys slide it out, inside right here, you can see they probably got another box. If you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So right here we do have the bone conduction headphone, but if you guys take it out, there is some more stuff underneath it. So let's take out this layer. There is a box underneath the headphone, so if you guys open up, inside they do probably got a little case. So if you guys open up the case, inside the case they do probably got a bunch of stuff, so take it all out. So first thing inside, we see they probably got some earplugs that you can put inside ear, so that way none of the water can get in when you guys do use it. And right here we see they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. So in the back right here, they do show you guys how to actually use the button control on the actual product. And then right here, they do probably got the cable. If you guys take it out, here is the cable that's provided for you guys to use to charge up the product. And that is basically everything that's inside the little bag. If you guys notice on the bag, they do have the brand logo on this side. And the other side, they do have a bunch of holes, so that way the product is breathable when you guys do use it. So that is basically all the accessories that's included in this package. Now let me show you guys the actual product. So if you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you see the design of the product is very similar to the other bone conduction that I reviewed in the past. Like I mentioned, the way how to design this one is slightly different because it does work as an MP3 player. And it also allows you guys to use it for swimming if you guys want to. So you can see on the side right here and right here, they do have the brand logo. And when you guys do feel the material on here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. And it also has like a non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put it around your ear, it won't move around. So you definitely will get a secure fit when you guys do put it on. And basically how the product works is that once you guys turn it on and play the music on here, on the side of the product right here is where the music will come out. And you guys will be able to hear the music on the side right here when you guys do set up and use it. But you see on the right side right here, we do have a few buttons. So there's plus and minus for you guys to increase and lower the volume. And you probably use that button to skip a song or go back to the previous song as well. And the middle button right here is probably like the power button for you to turn it off and on. That also works as a multi-function button for you to play and pause the music as well. And for the top part right here, we do have the letter M, and that is basically the mode button. And inside right here is where you guys want to plug in the actual cable to recharge it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I test out the product, let me show you guys how to charge it first. So I want to take out this part right here first. Once you guys take out the wrapper, you guys can press the button right here to open it up. Once you guys open up, you guys can definitely put the headphone inside. So just like this. And once you guys put it in, you guys can close it back up. And then once you guys close it up, you guys can definitely plug in a cable to recharge it. Or you can also plug in a cable to your laptop computer to transfer music file onto the actual product. So before I transfer the file in here, let me plug in my power bank to show you guys how to charge it. So let's plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, you can see a red light that pops on. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. And I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light will change to a different color or to turn off. And that is basically how you guys recharge the product. Now let me show you guys how to transfer the file onto the actual product. Alright, so you can see right here we do have the product all connected and all plugged in. So currently I do have it connected onto my laptop, you can see right here. So here is the file that's included for you guys when you guys first get the product. I do have the music on this side, so if you guys try to transfer over, let's try to transfer one of them to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we got that transferred. Let's test it out to see when it actually works. But before I test it out, let me show you guys what it sounds like. Alright, so that is basically what the product sounds like. Now let's turn it on. So let's take it out. Let's try it out and see when it actually works. Alright, so you can see the product definitely does work. Super easy for you guys to transfer files on here if you guys do want to. Alright, so now there's a quick test of product in terms of how to transfer file on here. You can see it's actually really easy to actually do so. And having the option for you guys to put a song in here is actually really convenient. So that way you guys don't have to carry like a separate phone to listen to music if you guys don't want to. But now let's turn on the product to show you guys how to connect it onto your phone and how to use it as well. So if you guys press on the middle button, it turns on if you guys can hear the music that's on here. So that is the music that's included for you guys when you guys first get the product. But I mentioned you do have the option to put in your own music if you guys want to. So I'm actually put this around my head first to see how it feels. So it's like this. So once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So I'm actually change the different mode on here to see what's available. So we press on the one time. This is repeat mode, shuffle, and normal. And if you guys press and hold the mode button, that will turn on the swimming mode. And if you guys press and hold it again, that will turn on general mode. So the thing about this headphone or this bone conduction headphone is the fact that it doesn't have Bluetooth built in. Instead, it only works as an MP3 player. So if you guys do want like the Bluetooth option, this is not the one for you guys. But when you guys use the button controls on here, it definitely works pretty well. So if you guys press the button one time, that will play and pause the music. And if you guys press the plus and minus, that will increase or lower the volume. But if you guys press and hold the plus and minus for 2 seconds, that will skip the song or go back to the previous song. And if you guys press and hold the mode button, that will change it from general mode to swim mode. So now I should show you guys a quick little test when you guys actually use it. So if I take it off, if I bring it up close, so if you guys press on the power button, that will turn it on. If you guys press and hold the plus and minus button, that will change the different songs on here. Alright, so you can see the product definitely does work. So very easy and very simple for you to use all different button controls on here. And when you guys do put it on, it actually feels pretty comfortable against your skin and also in your ear as well. And also like I mentioned earlier, the way how they designed the actual product, it does give you guys a titanium fit. So what that means is that you guys will get a secure fit when you guys do put it on, which is really cool and super useful, especially if you guys do plan on using this for swimming. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go through a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the product is waterproof first, and then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product, and right here I do have a bowl of water. So let's test it out to see what actually works. So let's play a song on here first. Alright, let's put it in. Alright, so you can see in here the product definitely does work even when you guys fully submerge it. You guys take it out. The product works perfectly fine. If you guys want to use the button controls, that works as well. So you see the product is definitely waterproof, so if you guys want to use it for swimming, you definitely can. If it's in here, the audio on here is actually really loud when you guys do use it. Welcome back guys. So next a quick test, the button definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So if you can see when we actually fully submerge the product in water, it still works. So if you guys do plan on using this for swimming or any kind of water sports, it should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we come unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality swimming headphone that give you guys like the bone conduction option. That also has like the built-in MP3 player option. So that way you guys don't have to connect it onto your phone. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.